Okay, fine, fair enough. I done, but it wasn't like they were. So they know what's gonna happen after the wedding. Like, nah, hold on. I never ever dreamt of a wedding as a child. Like, and I've never dreamt of a dream car. But I always wanted a car just to get me where I'm going and where I'm coming. So like a car is definitely a necessity, but I don't have a specific one that I want. Yeah, no, there's ones that I look at and I'm like, I like that. But like, do I want to like take 2 million rand and get that, or 1.5? No. Nah, I just like a car that's nice, reliable, gets me to where I'm going, A to B, and then get sharp. We are right on time. Can you finally drive? No? Listen to this, right? All the way to? Hear me out, okay? Let me cook. I could always drive. The problem is that I have anxiety. So sometimes I'll be driving up the road and then I scoot over to the yellow line to take a break because I'm tired. So I drive in the yellow line. And also I drive, like sometimes I drive really slow. So people give me the finger being the middle finger. And like, yeah, it's tough. But I still get to where I'm going. So I could always drive. The problem is that like I always failed my driver's license. But yes, now I can finally drive. It's been a long time. I've been cooking and now I ate and I can finally drive proper. Like my driving, you say I'm a taxi driver now. But before, Jai, yeah. Please don't drive in trouble. That's where I've been learning to drive though. Like not learning to drive, but